Here we are up in northern Wisconsin. We're going to target some suspended fall walleyes. We're looking for prime walleye structure, and in the fall that means we're going to look for steep breaks, whether it's related to a center hump or a shoreline point. But it seems like the steeper the better. That's where we're finding the bait fish, and that's where the walleyes are going to be. But what's important about that is we're not finding the walleyes sitting on the structure. We actually are finding them off the structure, anywhere from 35 to 45 feet of water, and they're suspended 22 to 25 feet down. And that seems to be the biggest fish in the system. And that's kind of something that's new to lots of people. It's not new to everybody, but it's new to lots of people. And with this forward-facing sonar, it's kind of a game changer. Normally we'd be trolling those fish, but now with this, it's a lot more fun to sit on the bow of the boat and kind of hunt the fish and pitch at individual fish. We're actually picking out sizes. We're only going to pick out what we think is a fish over 20 inches.